How about dream interpretation? In the long run, you are the best interpreter of your own dreams. Having recorded your dream, especially the vivid ones, see what your experience will be like in the physical world in the coming days, weeks, or months. Certain persons, experiences, images, or symbols may appear often in your dreams. See what happens physically after those things have appeared. Track them. Dream books, of course, they are on sales in bookshops and other places. They may help in the initial stages. Some people also have the gift of dream interpretation. You may share your dreams with them. The honest ones only. There are the bad ones. Don't share your dreams with them. Generally, the more you live a good life, the more it becomes easier to understand your dreams. And let us take note. Do not go about telling people your dreams. It is a dangerous practice. Avoid it. Who do you meet in your dreams?
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.